we're cleaning irons today. When you go online, there are a lot of different solutions for trying to clean an iron. Now, I've got to admit, I don't iron clothes very often at all. The most I use my iron is when I'm decoupaging. So all this muck that you can see on my iron is actually craft related, not clothing. So it needs cleaning. So what I thought I would do is have a couple of cleaning solutions that the internet tells me will work, and I am going to do a little experiment because I've never tried them before, and I thought I would do it for you guys as well so you can see firsthand if they actually work. So okay, oh, it's leaking a little bit. All right, okay, so I'm going to put the eye in there so you can see. That's okay. All right, so it's quite mucky and gunky. So the first one I came across was bicarbonate of soda and distilled vinegar, white vinegar. So I had some in the cupboard, and I'm just going to mix up a paste like it says, and we're going to give this one a try first and see how we get on. So I've just got a bowl and a spoon. I'm just going to put a little bit of vinegar in. I don't think it needs a lot. And a little bicarb. Okay. And that's all bubbling. So, wonderful. Okay. Lovely smell of vinegar in the room now. Alrighty. Well, it's not actually made a paste. It's made a runny kind of... Oh, okay. Let's put a bit more in. I don't have very much left actually, but... it'd be fine. Okay. Alright, that's a bit more paste-like. Okay, so I've got a nice soft cloth, a microfiber cloth, so I don't scratch the iron, because it's got a teflon surface. So I'm just going to try this bicarb and vinegar paste, and you're going to see if it works. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to try this side first. You see a difference? It might take a while actually because it's really pretty mucky. Okay. Oh, can I see any difference at all? Well, yeah, it's bringing off a little bit of the muck. Might need, like I say, it might need a little bit of a it's leaking all over me. Okay, never mind. Alrighty. Okay, so not bad. It's bringing it up slowly, I think. Yeah. I think if you've got a whole afternoon to spend cleaning your iron, I think this will work. Yeah, okay, so let's try number 2, which is the white toothpaste. It says not to use the one with the blue gel or the red or anything, just plain white toothpaste. I had some in the cupboard because I use it for spots. You know, you get a little spot come up, you just put a little bit on there, go to bed, by the next morning it's gone. Just another little hint for you about what to use with toothpaste. So, okay, so I'm just going to plop some on. I'm going to do the other side of the iron so we can see a difference between both. And my microfiber cloth again, but on a clean bit. Okay, and we're just going to rub the toothpaste in. That's all it says, just rub it in. So here we go. Ooh, that's making a nice minty smell out of the vinegar smell from the room. A minty vinegar smell in the room. Okay. I may have put too much on. It's making more of a mess than I thought. All right. Okay, well, I can actually tell a difference. It is doing something. Again, it's not an instant solution like I was hoping, but it has brought up quite a lot of the dirt off the surface of the iron. So probably the bicarb or the white toothpaste probably do just as well, really. There's none, you know, one doesn't work more than the other. And it's not a startling difference. And you probably can't tell very well online, but I can tell here that it has made a bit of a difference. Both of them actually have made a bit of a difference. So, so if you've got a dirty iron and half an afternoon to try this, then if you've got bicarb and vinegar, then go ahead, use that. If you've got white toothpaste, go ahead and use that. Or use a combination of all three and let me know how it goes. Okay, well, I'm going to carry on doing this and see if I get a beautiful clean iron at the end of it, and I will let you know. I will post a little poster picture at the end to show a beautiful clean iron if I get that far. Well, have a great afternoon, guys. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to us so you don't miss any more tips, tricks and experiments. Bye guys, have fun.